see, I've got the wood splitter in here, and we are going to do some things with it. So after the great success with the review video, I decided to do a follow-up, and we are going to be adding legs to it. I went ahead and bought the leg kit for it, so we're going to install that, and we will be doing a quick review. So we are about a year in. I have split about 6 cords of wood with this thing, and I stick with what I said in the other video. This thing was worth the $300 and some odd that I paid for it. It splits most of what I throw at it. If you get something that's got a bunch of knots in it, it struggles, and I usually will take and throw that aside for just, my fire pit. But this thing has definitely paid for itself. One of the best investments. Like I said, for someone that like me that doesn't quite want to spend as much money, a couple $1,000s to get a gas-powered splitter, which maybe down the road will be an investment I'm willing to take. But for now, this thing's working great. With the leg stand, I'm still under $500. Leg stand, or the stand set that I purchased is about $130. So all in all, we are, like I said, just under $500 in total for this thing. You can get lower end gas powered splitters for $550 to about $800. But for something that's really worth putting money into, you're looking at probably $1,800 to $2,500. That's my location. It may differ. We are up here in Alaska, so things are a bit more pricey. But anyway, so yeah, we are going to work on putting this thing together and getting it up on legs. One of the complaints I had before is it's two-hand operation, so I have to be bent down like this to operate it. So we're going to change that today. This should bring it up about this high, so operating it should be, about like this. It also comes with a cool plate that will be going on there and attaching, so everything splitting will fall into the plate instead of onto the ground, which will be nice. Wasn't that big of a deal. Sometimes an inconvenience, but really, my kids were helping me anyway, so they just pick up the pieces and go stack them. But this will be a great addition along with the legs, and it'll make it a little bit easier to store and maneuver around. So with that being said, let's go ahead and start putting this thing together. Alright, there we have it. Legs are on, the tray's on, everything's good to go. So we can throw a piece on and try it out. It's a little bit lower than I was expecting, but it still works pretty good, height-wise. Oh, I guess it helps if you plug it in. That's definitely nice. There we have it. It's all put back together and it works great. Hopefully this video was helpful and useful to you guys. All in all, the kit for the legs and the tray was pretty simple. The instructions aren't super great, but I was able to work my way through them. But I feel like it was a good investment, and now this is up off the ground and a lot easier to use. So I'm fairly happy. I think it was a great addition, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, hit that bell if you want to be the first to be notified when we post videos. And if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.